Hello everyone, in front of me is Poco X6 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code that you can use on this phone, which is *##06#. And here you've got device information, which with email and a serial number. Click on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##426 #**. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode. It is a Google code in which you can check events and status. And if you will tap on more icon, you will be able to enroll advanced view. Just mark it, and as you can see, now you've got way more details. So let me go back. Another code that you can use here is *##, 225, #*#. And here we've got all upcoming events from all calendars that you have. So this code allows you to stay up to date, to not forget about any upcoming event. So actually these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.